everyone, my name is Felice. I'm from 8-3, number 11. Today I want to present my electronic project. My electronic project is water level detector.
Water level detector? What is that? And what is the function of this object? Water level detector is a tool to measure the water level. This tool can be used to measure the water level during a flood, water in bathtub, and many more. After this, we will try to make a simple water level detector. The materials.
The materials we need are red, yellow, and green light, buzzer, transistor, resistor, soldering iron, 9-volt battery, ruler, and cable.
Step by step.
First, we will assemble the yellow and green light part. These are the instructions to assembling the yellow and green light circuit. After that, let's next to assemble the red light and buzzer part. These are the instructions to assembling the red light and buzzer circuit. After that, we will connect the green light and yellow light circuit with the red light and buzzer circuit using a cable. After the two circuits are connected, we will connect the buzzer and lamp circuits with the battery socket. After that, give an additional cable so that the circuits can be stick to the ruler. To glue the circuits on the ruler, you can use tape, glue, double tape, or anything. And finally, we have finished our water level detector circuit, and the circuit will be looks like this.
How to use the water level detector? How to use this tool is quite easy. Insert the measuring device into a container filled with water slowly. When the water is not too high, the green light will be on. When the water is high enough, the yellow light will turn on. When the water is high, the red light will be on. When the water is very high, the buzzer will make a sound. This is an example of using a water level detector.
That's all from me about my electronic project presentation. Thank you for watching. See you and God bless you.